If you feel like everyone is moving faster than you, pause for a second. You are probably not behind. You are probably just divided. Your energy is split. Your attention is split. Your effort is split. And when your effort is scattered, even a hard-working person can feel stuck. That is why so many people spend months trying to improve and still feel like nothing is changing. They are not weak. They are not lazy. They are just leaking their focus in too many directions. So here is a better approach. For the next 21 days, pick one skill, one project, or one area of your life and give it one protected session every day. Not 5 things, not 10 goals, one priority. This is not about doing more. It is about doing less, but doing it with full attention. I call this the single target method. Every day, you give one important thing, one uninterrupted block of effort. No switching, no multitasking, no just checking your phone. During that session, your only job is to move one thing forward. Why does this work so well? Because progress does not come from being interested. It comes from being concentrated. Most people confuse motion with progress. They plan, they consume, they organize, they think about improving. But very little of that becomes real change. Real change begins when attention stops jumping and starts staying. That is the first principle. Attention creates momentum. When you return to the same target every day, your brain stops starting from zero. You remember where you left off. You re-enter faster. You go deeper. And depth is where improvement lives. The second principle is this: consistency removes emotional drama. A lot of people only work hard when they feel motivated. That is why their progress is unstable. One strong day, 2 weak days, then guilt, then another restart. But when you decide in advance that this is simply what you do every day, you stop negotiating with yourself. It becomes less emotional and more automatic. That is powerful. Because the goal is not to win one perfect day. The goal is to become someone who can return to the work again and again. And the third principle is simple. Small daily wins change identity. When you keep showing up, you start trusting yourself. You stop saying, "I'm trying to improve," and you begin saying, "I am the kind of person who does the work." That shift changes everything. Because confidence is not built by thinking highly of yourself. It is built by collecting proof. Now, let's make this practical. Maybe you want to improve your English. Do one focused daily session. Read out loud, listen carefully, repeat phrases, record yourself, correct yourself. Maybe you want to build a business. Spend that session writing, designing, selling, or creating, not endlessly researching, not redesigning your plans every day. Real movement. Maybe you want better health. Then use that block for walking, training, meal planning, or preparing food that supports your goal. The area does not matter as much as the structure. What matters is that every day you return to the same target with real attention. Here are 3 rules to make this method actually work. Rule 1. Make the session easy to start. Do not rely on willpower alone. Choose a clear time. Prepare the space. Remove friction. If the start feels heavy, you will resist it. If the start feels simple, you will begin. Rule 2. Measure completion, not perfection. Your task is not to be amazing every day. Your task is to show up. Some sessions will feel strong, some will feel average. That is normal. Do not judge the day too early. Just protect the streak. Rule 3. Stay with one target long enough to see results. Most people quit too early, not because the method failed, but because boredom appeared. And boredom is a dangerous moment, because boredom often comes right before visible progress. If you stay, you break through. If you switch too soon, you stay a beginner. So, if your life feels slow right now, do not ask, "What is wrong with me?" Ask a better question. What am I giving my full attention to every day? That question can change your future. You do not need more pressure. You do not need 10 new habits. You do not need to copy someone else's life. You need one clear direction and the discipline to return to it daily. Do that for 21 days, and you may not become perfect, but you will become sharper, calmer, more disciplined, more confident, and, most importantly, you will stop feeling like someone who is always starting over. You are not behind. You just need a target that deserves your focus. If this message helped you, subscribe for more videos on growth, focus, and self-mastery. And until next time, protect your attention.